Okay, what we're dealing with here is a question on whether or not the HIT-60 is going to work for a 2 3/8 thick door. And I spoke to the manufacturer who sent me a couple of parts. And admittedly, I have no idea what those parts are for, because now I have a HIT-60 in front of me, and let's take a look at it. When I completely open up the handles, it gets us pretty close to 3-inch. This client's door thickness is 2 3/8. Okay, no problem. Now, everything regarding the door thickness is a reference to this will fit over the door. And it's all about the center line of the hole where the bit comes through. So if this is 4 3/4 thick, it would stand to reason that the face of the HIT-60 plate that's going to mount to the back side of the door and the center of that drill bushing ought to be 7/8. 1 3/4 divided by 2 is 7/8. Let's take a look. Well, I would say that that's 7/8. Okay, since this can open up to about, well, I opened it up and then I forgot if it was 2 3/4. I just want to be able to provide a hard answer. Yep, hard at work. Hard at work, those two. All right, let's, yeah. 2 3/4 for sure. 2 3/4 we're good. The bottom line is, it strikes me that all we need to do is pad this up, is to just bring that up higher, which to me would mean we're going to loosen these bolts here and here. Clearly there's a pivoting angle down in the bottom. That should just lift off. Then what I would be doing is I would take 2 3/8 minus 1 3/4, 5/8, divided by 2 is 5/16. So I would build 5/16 underneath here and between the red drill bit bushing, because assuming that you want the drill bit right in the center of the door. That's all I would do. I would just doctor it that way temporarily. And as I see the blocks that Bill over at Major very, very graciously sent, quality individual, I don't know where we're sticking these. I don't know where on this goes. But now I've got the tool in hand, I would just put a 5/16 spacer between the black, top of the black plate and the underside of the actual drill fixture. And I would say mission accomplished. If you come to a different conclusion, please let me know. And thank you. Say bye, boys. Nothing.